Wall Street stumbled to start the week with major indexes sliding as fading hopes of a December rate cut and jitters ahead of the jobs report weighed on investors. Tech stocks led the pullback, even as Alphabet bucked the trend with a strong rally. Take a look at our next report for more on this.
U.S. stocks tumbled on Monday, with the Dow losing more than 1% and the S&P 500 and NASDAQ shedding just under 1%. Losses accelerated in the afternoon as all three main indexes traded below their 50-day moving averages, viewed as a proxy for medium-term trends. Investors eagerly awaited the September jobs report, which is due to be released on Thursday after the long U.S. government shutdown ended last week. The absence of official economic data has dampened expectations the Federal Reserve will cut interest rates in December, says Robert Conzo, CEO and managing director of the Wealth Alliance.
The rate of optimism going down went from 97% down to where it is now, 47%, that the Fed is going to cut. So what do you see happen as a result? You saw big drops. NVIDIA drops 11% in the 30 days ended as of Friday. On top of that, you saw small caps drop 7%. And that's not necessarily worsening the world, but it raises questions of, hey, are we in a market where the wire is so tight? Even the hint of outdated data. September jobs report is old. It's 2 months old. How relevant is that? It's not all that relevant. And even with that, you're seeing big pullbacks all around this cut, which we believe has about a 50% chance of happening.
Investors are also braced for this week's third quarter earnings results from AI bellwether NVIDIA, the world's largest company by market value. The chipmaker's shares fell almost 2% on Monday and were among the biggest drags on the NASDAQ and the S&P 500. Among other decliners, Dell Technologies dropped nearly 8.5% after Morgan Stanley downgraded its rating on the AI server maker to underweight from overweight. But shares of Google parent Alphabet hit an intraday record high, settling 3% higher at the close after Warren Buffett's Berkshire Hathaway revealed a $4.3 billion stake in the company.